I want you to welcome back to another video with the Thervkeys. Today we have a special treat. We were at the RV Unplugged rally, and while we were there on Saturday, they had a ziplining adventure at the New York, Texas Ziplining, and they're located on top of the Schultz Mountain Ranch, on top of a mountain in New York, Texas. And we're just going to show you some clips of my experience there. You know, they gave us a little like 5-minute training session before I went on there. They gave us gloves, a helmet, and a harness, and we climbed to the top of a tower for our first little zip. And boy, that was exciting. I had never been ziplining before. I'd been on a rope course, but I'd never been on a zip line, so I was kind of nervous, being a big guy. You know, big guy in a little world. I'm always afraid of hurting myself on things like this, but unfortunately I didn't.
So this is the Skyline course. Ben will be ziplining here shortly. He's going to be receiving some instruction. As you can see, we're pretty high up. You can see the horizon out there. And I'm thinking that might be where they start off at. I'm not really sure. I just wanted to give you a view before everything got started. More to come.
But it was really exciting, and the first time it was a very short run between two trees, maybe about, I don't know, 70 feet, not very long in terms of a zip lining. Okay.
Get a good shot, and then you'll be able to put your hand back there. And the key is you're just pulling down like you're honking an air horn, all right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you're good to go. 3, 2, 1. You got it, brother.
There we go. And then from there, we went on a much longer course, the first longer course, and I made it all the way. All right, so just go.
And there he goes into the woods. Woo!
And I stopped about maybe 10 feet short, got to the bottom, and had to propel myself up the cord, up the table, to the platform. And the next one I did much better, but truthfully, I tended to brake too quickly, and that can, I just might say, not a negative experience, but certainly, you know, learning how to brake is one of the essential things of ziplining. You know, you brake too hard, you stop short. You don't brake soon enough, you crash into somebody. So I'd rather stop short than go too far, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold on here. All right, and
For me, thank you.
All right, I got a video of you coming all the way. I'll share it with you.
cool. Anyway, after that first run, we went down another course, and that was a little longer. And on that course, actually turned sideways.
Ready. That's not that easy. Never. You ready? Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, blast. Okay, good. Spinning tank is good.
The thing I told her, if you have to brake, it won't be much at all. So still be looking for that brake time just in case it doesn't get
I'll just basically it starts slowing up towards the end anyway, so. I just always like to float. Ready?
There was the top of a tree that I just brushed over the top. I wasn't sure when I did it if it was going to hurt or not, because you're going at 60 plus whatever miles an hour going down the zip line. You're gonna hurt something if you hit something, basically. But after that, that was really the only mishap on the entire run.
Wasn't what I planned. I think the tree slowed me down. My legs swung down and hit a tree.
Some long legs here.
I know.
There you go.
Well, I was going like, and I started slowing down like, oh shoot, I'm not gonna make it.
really won't need as much braking on this one.
All right,
But
well.
you're good to go, sir. Try to stay as straight as you can on that line, and you won't touch that tree right there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to avoid my helmet and whatnot. Okay, set and.
Anyway, there was essentially one big loop that we did, and at the end of that, there was another, essentially did almost the same thing from the beginning. We went back out to the tower, went to the first platform, but instead of going in one direction, we went a different direction. And that one was a little longer and a little scarier, but it was fun.
You like that one?
Yeah, all right. Woo! I nearly lost on that one. I was shoot! Well, I was like, don't put in front, don't. It's easy to get disoriented.
We all had fun watching each other ziplining, and I tell you, if I do it again, I would. I guess what I learned is I was holding the GoPro as we filmed in my right hand and braking with my left. Not exactly the best option to do that, as I learned. You don't always get the best pictures, and you also start destabilizing as you're going down a very long run. You start turning this way or that way, and there was one thing I swear I was going to lose control, but I didn't. Because you definitely don't want to put your hand as you're grabbing it in front of the pulley, because you'll run right over your hand and after that you might lose a finger that way. I didn't lose any fingers, I assure you, but one moment thought I was. It was just that type of excitement and uncertainty about it. You know, it's almost like skydiving, but not quite that dangerous. And I'm just glad we had a chance to show these to you, and I hope you really enjoy them. And once again, open the doors to adventure and start all your journeys with
The Thervkeys.